Hi friends, welcome to Eco Engineer YouTube channel. Today discuss about probability theory and stochastic process. In this, we have to discuss about the relative frequency and axioms of probability. Consider a random experiment with a sample space S, which shall assign a non-negative number called probability to each event in the sample space S. Let A be a particular event in S, then the probability of event A is denoted as P of A. Let A be a particular event in the sample space S, then the probability of event A is denoted as probability of A. Here, what is probability introduction through a relative frequency? What is the relative frequency? The frequency which is related to the probability of introduction. Here, suppose that a random experiment is repeated n times. The experiment is repeated in n times. If the event A occurs n of A times, then the probability of event A is defined as a relative frequency of event A. Then the number of trials n tends to infinity. Mathematically, P of A is equal to limit n extends to infinity n of A by n, where n of A by n is called the relative frequency of event A. Here, properties of relative frequency. What is the properties of relative frequency? Here, what is these are properties? Here, 0 less than or equal to n of A by n less than or equal to 1. The value of relative frequency in between 0 and 1. Yeah, this is the relative frequency. Here, n of A by A, n of A by n. The value of relative frequency are in between 0 and 1. Now we have to go through, if n of A by n is equal to 0, the event never occurs. Here n of A by n is a frequency, relative frequency is equal to 0, the event A never occurs. If n of A by n is equal to 1, event A occurs in all n trials. N of A by n is the relative frequency is equal to 1 value, the event occurs in n times. If A and B are mutually exclusive events, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B, and n of A union B by n is equal to n of A by n union of n of B by n. These are the relative frequency of probability. Now, probability introduction through axioms. Here, in an axiomatic definition, the probability P of A of an event is a real number which satisfies the following axioms. Here, axiom 1, axiom 2, axiom 3, and the properties of probability. Now, we discuss axiom 1. If P of A is greater than or equal to 0, the probability of the event A is always non-negative real number. Probability of event A is always non-negative real number. When P of A is greater than 0, probability of event A is non-negative real number. The axiom 2, the P of S is equal to 1. Probability of such event S is equal to 1. The event S is a universal set. It is a sure event. Therefore, its probability is always 1. That's why P of pi is equal to 0. The probability of null event or an impossible event is always 0. The probability of a null event or an impossible event is always 0. So axiom 3, if a sample A of n has n events, n is equal to 1, 2 and so on n, where n may be infinite, and if all the events are mutually exclusive, that is am intersection of an is equal to set of pi. For all m not equal to n, when then P of union of n is equal to 1 to n an, capital An, set of is equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to n P of an. Here, or we have to written as similarly this one is like P of a1 union a2 union and so on an union of an is equal to P of a1 plus P of a2 plus and so on P of an. This is the axiom 3 of probability intersection. Probability intersection of axiom 3 is a P of union n equal 1 to n an is equal to summation of n equal 1 to n P of an, or P of A1 plus P of A2 plus and so on plus P of AN. In what this states that probability of the union of n number of mutually exclusive events is equal to the sum of the individual event probabilities. To simplify the expression, consider just two disjoint events A and B in sample space S. Then P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B if P of A and A P of no P of 1 not P of if A intersection B is equal to null set or void set or empty set. What is the properties of probability? What is the properties of probabilities? Here these are 8 properties of probabilities. By using the definition of probability, the following properties can be obtained. First property is 0 less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1 is the first property. The second property, P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A. P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A. The third complement, P of A less than or equal to P of B if A is a subset of B. Fourth property, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus of P of A intersection B. The fifth property, P of A complement intersection B is equal to P of B minus of P of A intersection B. The fifth property, if S is equal to A1 plus A2 plus and so on An are a mutually exclusive event, then in S, then summation n is equal to 1 to n P of An is equal to 1. For the seventh, if null set P of pi is equal to 0, and for universal set P of S is equal to 1, P of S is equal to 1, and null set P of pi is equal to 0. For equally likely of n events in a sample space S, probability of each event is P of I is equal to 1 by n, I value is 1, 2, 3 and so on n. These are the 7, 8 and 8 properties of probability. What are the probabilities of 7 properties? 0 less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1. The second property, P of A bar is equal to A complement is equal to 1 minus of P of A. P of A less than or equal to P of B if P of A is subset of B. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus of P of A intersection B. Fifth one, P of A complement intersection B is equal to P of B minus of P of A intersection B. If S is equal to A1 plus A2 plus and so on An are mutually exclusive events in S, then summation of n equal to 1 to n P of A n is equal to 1. For null set, a void set or empty set, P of pi is equal to 0. For universal set, S is P of S is equal to 1. For equally likely of n events in a sample space S, the probability of each event is P of I is equal to 1 by n. Here n value is represents as I value, not n value. I value is 1, 2, 3 and so on n. These are the properties of probabilities function. Thank you friends, thank you very much.